Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the Python function. Basically, a function is a piece of code written to carry out a specified task. In C, C++, Java have used the functions, and the Python also will use the functions to execute the same code with multiple times. Okay, once we have written the code, we have executed, we can execute that code, the same code, the multiple times. So for that we are using the functions in the program. The Python function is defined by the keyword def keyword. This means it denotes the function. Before writing the function name, the def keyword should be written. The syntax of the Python function is function def keyword, then the function name. Okay, we should write the function name next to the keyword def. This is the parameter list. That means what are the variables we should use, which variable we should use to perform the specific task, I mean within the body, that should be taken within this bracket. Okay, so def keyword denotes the function. That means this is the function name. Before the next to the def keyword denotes the function name, and inside that we should take the parameter list. Okay, this is the function definition. Then statements, that means what are the operations we should perform, that means what are the functions or what task we should perform inside the program, that should be taken within this function body. Okay, if you want to find out the sum of two numbers, that is the main task in this program, that should be, we have to add the two numbers a and b and store it into the variable c. That operation should be taken within this function body. Okay, the final one is function name, and this same function name should be taken at last with the actual parameter list. This is the function call. Okay, first the function call should be performed. The function call will check the function definition. Okay, it will be passes through the this function, so the function definition will perform the operations. Okay, let's see an example by using the Python function. We can't perform, I mean we can't create a Python function without the def keyword. Def keyword is mandatory to create a Python function. Without a def keyword, the function will not be executed. Okay, first I am going to create new file. I am going to take a new file. Then I want to find out some of the even numbers from the list. A list contains the a number of numbers, even a number of numbers. Okay, so from the list I want to find out the even numbers. Only I want to display the even numbers from the list. So I have created the list. I am going to create the list. Six, 4, 7, 9, 3, 1, 2, 23, 45, sorry 54, 78, 65 or 53. Okay, then 1. Okay, have created the list. Okay, with n number of list items. Then I want to create the functions by using def keyword. Def function name is display, that means I want to display the even numbers, so I have created this display of function, and this is the parameter list. I mean, by using this variable we can search the even numbers from the list. So this is the parameter list. This should be taken. Okay, then the function body, want to write the code of the function body code. Okay, I want to write the function body code for I want to search each and every elements in the list for I in LST. Okay, for I in LST, then if I colon I modulus 2 equal to 0, that means if the remainder is 0, that number should be divided by the number is divided by the 2. Okay, if the even remainder is not 0, the number is an odd number, it's not divided by the 2, that's an odd number. So only I want to display the even numbers, so I am checking the condition if the element I means this element, okay, elements is present in the list, so I is divided by 2. If it is true, then I want to print the I. Okay, this is our function definition, then this is our function body. Okay, what are the operations we should perform in it? So function body, then next one is function call. Before that, without in the function call, the function will not be executed, so the function call is mandatory, and this colon is mandatory after writing after completing the function name. Okay, if the semicolon is not if the semicolon is missing, the function will not be executed. The function call function name is display of LST. Okay, actual parameters. This is the function definition and this is the function call. Okay, I want to save. See, okay, we got 6, 4, 2, 54 and 78. All the even numbers we got all the even numbers from the list. Okay, so have successfully created the Python function. Okay, that's it friends. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.